A simple pendulum has a time period t1 when on the earth surface and t2 when taken to a height r above the earth surface, where r is a radius of earth. The value of t2 by t1 is. So we know the equation for t1, that is equal to, we can write 2 pi into under root of L divided by g. When it is on the surface, we can take it as nothing but g naught. Now if you are taking it to a height that is equal to the radius of earth, so the value of g2 can be written as nothing but gm divided by distance becomes 2r square. So this we can take it as nothing but gm divided by 4r square, and gm by r square is nothing but g naught. So this we can take it as nothing but g naught divided by 4. So the equation for t2 becomes equal to 2 pi into under root of L divided by, now the value of acceleration due to gravity becomes g naught by 4. So we can write it 4 over here. So it is 2 times of 2 pi into under root of L divided by g naught. So we can write the value of t2 is basically 2 times of, you can observe that this term 2 pi into under root of L by g naught is nothing but the value of t1. So we can write this as 2 times of t1, and Rm is to find out the value of t2 divided by t1. So we can write that is equal to nothing but 2.